Do you see how perfect this haircut is? Do you see when you rake your fingers back, how the layers just fall right in place? This to me is an absolute perfect haircut, and it's got an amazing flow to it. So how do you go about getting a perfect haircut, AKA just a normal good haircut, right? But how do you get your hair to look perfect? Well, there's a number of things that you have to keep in consideration. One, what is your hair type? Do you have perfectly, a nice full head of hair? Do you have a lot of hair? Even if you don't have a lot of hair, like, is it thicker? Is the hair texture finer? Are you losing your hair? Is it super, super coarse and like wavy and frizzy? You have to have, and this is why it looks like this, a perfect foundation to start with. If you've got straight hair, you've got a good amount of density in your hair, and you just have a ton of it and it looks really healthy, shiny, naturally, doesn't frizz, that's half the battle right there. Then you're able to achieve pretty much any hairstyle that you want simply because your hairline's in great shape, the hair flow, the hair condition, the texture is perfect. It solves like all the problems. And I know this is rare to find this, but you know how many people I've worked on that have hair like, a hairline perfect like this, silky smooth hair texture? You people are out there, okay? I know that you exist. But the key to getting your hair to look like this, aside from the texture, because you can make your hair look like this even if it's a little bit wavy or if your hair is a little more frizzy, is first of all, you see how the length. You see how long this is? Look how the hair comes all the way down to here. That's like a lot of hair to come all the way down here. That's me pulling this piece in the front. The front always has to be the longest point of the haircut. If you have your hair shorter here, then a lot longer, as long as it's blended, then you can have a nice flow. Getting this flow all depends on how well the hair is connected together, the layers. You see all this? This all works back in together, and it's all blended out throughout the whole thing. It's how you get these layers, this perfect kind of feather type of look. This goes for anyone, any hair type, any male, female, doesn't matter, any gender. You have to have a perfectly connected haircut, AKA layering, all right? So when you pull the hair out, it all just seamlessly works in together. That's the first part of the whole thing, aside from having a great hair texture. Then you can have the top a little bit longer. You can, have this so it flows over this, like I did on this haircut. Again, it's all about the connection. If you find a barber, right, I would say, try to find a hairstylist who may be better at this. However, if you find someone, right, a barber, or you're looking for a barber to do this type of work, then make sure that you see that they can do this on their Instagram page. If you're seeing like lineups and skin fades, this and that all day, chances are you may not be getting this type of look. Find people who do these types of haircuts, feathered haircuts, layered haircuts, just really, really good work, and go see them. It may be a little more expensive. It may be like something that you're, not used to paying, but in the end, it's worth it to achieve a perfect kind of hairstyle like this. So let me know in the comments below if you have this hairstyle. Let me know if you've experienced something like this, if you've had issues or you want something like, just share whatever you want in the comments below about this haircut, and I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.